Hello everyone and welcome to another question and answer. So in this video we're gonna go with C++ interview question and answers. So don't waste time. Let's go to first one. Number one, what are the differences between C and C++? First one, paradigm. In C, it's procedural, but in C++ is procedural and object-oriented. Encapsulation. C does not support encapsulation, but C++ supporting encapsulation with classes. Number 3, function overloading. C doesn't support function overloading, but C++ support that. Templates. Let me just open up VS Code here. Okay. Templates. In C, we don't support the templates. It means C doesn't support the templates. And C++ support the templates. And the last one is STL support. C doesn't support STL, but C++ support it and stand template library. So it means that C is procedural only, but C++ it's OOP, procedural, and templates. These are the differences. So number 2, what is the difference between struct and class? Struct is members are public by default, and class is members are private by default. Let me show you an example. So we have a struct here. Name it main. Doesn't make any difference. Int x, and we have a class again, I name it main, and I set it to int x. So oh sorry, I should change the extension. Which guy said instead of C, it's C extension. C++ words? Yeah. In this class, members are public by default. It means a struct class. A struct, sorry, it's not class. But in class, members are private by default. Even you can use it default. So number 3, 4 pillar of OOP in C++. So number 1 is encapsulation. Number 2 is abstraction. Number 3 it's inheritance. And number 4 is polymorphisms. So let's write it down. Pillars of OOP in C++. One is encapsulation. 2 is abstraction. 3 is inheritance. Sorry for spelling. And 4 is polymorphisms. And again, sorry for spell. It's polymorphisms. These 4 pillars of OPP in C++. So let's hit an example. So we get a class named animal. So we press the bracket here. We have public. Virtual. Let me just hit the top here. Virtual void speak. It's equal to 0. So that is abstraction, and let me copy that for spelling. This class use abstraction and polymorphisms. Let's hit another one. Class something like dog. Public animal. Gonna close the bracket here. Public void speak. Override count oof. Sorry, count. C-O-U-T. I had to add some includes here. So the code is great. So this is for pillars of OOP in C++. So let's go to number 4. What is the rule of 3.5 in C++? I'm gonna tell you this one with an example. I'm going to create a class. I'm going to name it my class. Open bracket. I'm going to set int data. Public my class, delete data, and again my class const my class and other. Data equal to new int other dot data. Again, my class and operator equal to const my class and other. And again, my class, and then other, no except. My class and operator, it's equal to my class and other, no except. So this is the code that show the rules of 3.5 in C++. Just this. This code shows the rule of that. You can show it by code. And let me just, sorry. Okay. What are virtual functions? Number 5. What are virtual functions? I'm gonna make a class again with base. I'm gonna create a public virtual void print base This is a virtual function. I'm going to create another class. Right. Public base I'm going to use public void print override count derived. So this is another virtual function, and using that, it's like base obj is equal to new derived obj print. So I'm using different C++ here. It should be something else to get this error. It should be like this. How do we name it to CC? No. Okay, let me see, does it print it? Yes, hello? Yeah, this is because of my extension here. It should be C++. But this is the virtual function, and this is how we use the virtual function. So let's go to number 6, smart pointers. So how we create a smart pointers. So first we're gonna include memory and std unique etr and p1. I'm gonna name it p1. It's equal to std underline unique and tab. So this is a smart pointers. So you can do another one like this. You just make it P2 10 to 20. This was in smart pointers. So let's go to number 7. Deep copy versus shallow copy. So I'm gonna show you the deep copy. I'm gonna make an example of deep copy here. How does it work? We create a class again. I'm gonna name it sample. And data. Again, I'm gonna use a public. Sample. Const. Sample. S. And data is equal to new and s dot data. So this is deep copy. how we use dip copy in C++. So I'm gonna go with number 8. What is STL? Let me just check something to record. Yeah, that's okay. What is STL? STL includes containers. Containers means vectors, vector, list, and map. STL includes algorithms like a sort and find, and includes iterators. So I'm going to show you an example of that. I'm going to include vector. I'm going to include algorithm, and let's go. std vector int v it's equal to 413 should be int. And std sort v dot begin and v dot end. So this is how it works. For the errors, I'm saying I'm using VS Code. I don't have the debugger of C++ here. I mean editor of C++, and I could install the good one. Codes are correct, but when you see an error, it's nothing. The codes are correct. It's been tested. And let's go to number 9. Compile time vs runtime polymorphisms. What does that mean? Compile time means function overloading, operator overloading. Runtime means virtual functions. So let's hit an example for compile time. Int add, int a, int b, and return a plus b. So it's compile time. Double add double a double b returns a plus b. So compile times means this, but runtime is a virtual functions that we create in codes. This is it. And let's move to last one, templates. How we use templates. So templates, it's like this. template, type name, I'll name it T max, sorry, T A T B, and return A bigger than B, A B. So it's templates and how we can use templates. I'm gonna go with another one because it wasn't in any videos. Lambda expressions. So how we code in Lambda expression. It's like auto, for example, sum equal to int A, int B, return A plus B. So it's Lambda expressions. Count sum 3 and 4. This is lambda expressions. So sorry for errors here. This errors doesn't mean that codes are not correct. I used VS Code. I installed what I could to render. Maybe my file extension is not okay, but all the codes are correct. So ask me anything if you don't want to know in the comments, so I will answer that if any questions you have. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. I'm trying to work on other languages, but I should find the editor of that. I should purchase for editors, because in VS Code it's so hard to do that. I bought Visual Studio, a pie chart, a lot of things, and we're gonna have a lot of coding, a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow my social media, all of them are in my channel description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And thanks again for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it.